Hey, this is Alice from Downsizing Makes Sense with a C, DMC for short. Now, if this is your first time with us, Larry and I are two 50-somethings empty nesters, and we have sold this house, and we're in the process of filling our fifth wheel right now to go full-time, to live life more deliberately. So again, if you're new, we started a vlog about 11 days ago showing our downsizing process, everything we've gone through. And if you guys have been following along, comments say you guys are just as exhausted as we are. So hey, got the hat this time because the hair was looking a little scary the last vlog. But if you look at this room, today we have a cleaning team coming in because there's a walkthrough for the new owners on Wednesday, and we just don't have the time. So we kind of shoved everything into this room. This is either going to storage or going into the RV. There are some things that I have to like take back if I have time to stores. But yeah, this is about it. I'm going to show you a couple other places where we have things kind of shoved in. So follow along over here. Okay, most of the stuff here has been on Facebook Marketplace. And I told everyone on Marketplace that Monday is the last day. So there are some things that, you know, if no one, some of it is going in the RV. But if it doesn't get picked up, it's going to Goodwill. Okay, follow along over here. Okay, this room is totally empty. You saw in our videos, this was bad. This was really bad. But you saw Larry's video, hopefully, showing how he took our computer desk and put it in the RV and got rid of the dinette that was pretty much useless. And I was just in this room. This is completely empty. And then the kitchen cabinets are all emptied out. And you might even hear an echo, echo, echo. And then here, we've got some router equipment because we're in the RV in our front yard and we need to download videos. So we've got that going. I don't know what this is.
That's just extra junk.
Yeah, Larry's dealing with that. Okay, the kids' room. Oh, wait. This is the pantry. Uh-oh. It's temperamental. Okay, we still have to deal with that, but it's out of the way. My little space heater for when I take a shower because I'm a wimp. This room is all empty. This closet at one point was full, I mean full of eBay.
Toys.
Toys and books. Toys and books. This bathroom, we've been using it lately, but we're going to stop using it and start taking a shower in the RV. And then this is the other room. And again, this used to be full of, well, not just eBay. My younger son's stuff was still in here for a while. It's either in storage or at his dorm at UF. Okay, so this is another extra bath. We just have a couple things left that we need to deal with in here. So, and this is the master. I think what 2 days ago the queen bed went. Yesterday the queen box spring went.
You were the master of getting stuff.
That was all Facebook Marketplace.
Facebook Marketplace.
They will try to bargain you down, but if you got like 10 people asking about it, you say, hey, I got 10 people asking about it. You guys remember my closet? Bam! It's empty.
Unfortunately, most of that stuff went in the RV.
We'll talk about that later. And Larry's closet, bam, it's empty. And then the master bath, we got the master cleaners here, so we don't have to worry about it. But again, this is all gone. I do have a few things left in here that's going in the RV. I just haven't gotten to it yet. Okay. Okay, laundry room. You know, we're actually leaving some stuff for the new owners.
Yeah, just light bulbs, you know, stuff that they'll need.
Not that they deserve it. We're leaving the washer and dryer, but we're going to do like one more load before we hit the road. So we do have some laundry all set up, ready to go. And my mic is falling down my pants.
You got Mike in your
I got mic butt. Mic butt. Okay, so.
This is my domain today.
Yeah, Larry's taking care of this because, well, actually, some stuff is going in storage. This is another Goodwill pile. Now, here's a good thing. If you are using Facebook Marketplace, put your Goodwill pile out here. And I've had people, come up and pay for one thing, and they say, hey, this stuff is free. Take it. And then we don't have to do so many trips to Goodwill. It worked out so great. And this one lady was so appreciative, so why not give it to them instead of Goodwill?
Yeah, they're going to put it to good use.
Yes. I had a lady today, she picked up a chair she was buying for her kid's teacher, daycare teacher, because she had such a crappy chair. And I was like, okay, hold on. I've got some kids' books. I've got some school supplies. I have a backpack that has a little tear in it. But hey, if there's a needy kid, let them have it. So I picked through and said, oh, let's give them whatever that teacher could use. These boards over here, we are leaving for them because they were cut to fit. You can see how they're actually marked on here. Well, that's his garage. Oh, the garage window.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's all cut for hurricane.
Yeah, and Larry bought these special little clips where it just pops the wood right in. Because we've had some serious hurricanes here. But most of this stuff is emptied out. Whoops.
I almost forgot something there.
Yeah, but see, we're leaving them extra tile because we are so nice.
That's from the original build 30 years ago. We still have the tiles.
Yeah, I wanted to throw everything away. So, yeah, you never want to mess with me. Okay, and someone supposedly is coming to get some of that.
So I've got to clean up this desk today.
Yeah, we got to clean up this. We're going to take a picture and ask them if they want to keep this because it's a good work desk.
Right.
Why wouldn't they want it? But
and this cabinet right here.
someone
them sprinkler supplies.
But someone else might want that wiring.
Right. And those are the Plylox clips that hold the hurricane.
But you do have some stuff back here you got to deal with too.
I do have some stuff.
Woo! And
don't trip over the plunger.
hey, you tripped over last time, so it's my turn. And you can see we have like a ton of bins. I think we're just going to give them to.
Got rid of so much stuff.
Oh yeah, I gave away bins, and we still have bins.
Look at all the bins. This all flopped over.
Yeah, so we'll probably give that to Goodwill. Tomorrow morning, we do sign the paperwork. They come over on Wednesday morning to do their walkthrough. That's why we're cleaning up the place. That's why we're going to not use it anymore so it stays clean. And then that's it. We actually pull away tomorrow. Yep. So stay tuned for the big party because we'll be officially full-timers when we drive away tomorrow. And
We're going to do a...
this house is clean. Living room. Office. Half bath. Master bath. I already showed you the closets. Master bath. Oh, I said master bath before. This is master bedroom, obviously. Dining room. Never use it as a dining room. Kitchen. Pantry. Family room, except for the stuff we need to download the video tonight. Echo. What? Sorry. Too slow. Linen, ooh, good thing I checked. Linen closet.
Don't forget your heater.
Yes, because somebody doesn't keep me warm. Kids' bedroom. Kids' bathroom. Another kid's bedroom. Are you coming?
Yeah.
Come on.
Give
I'm still doing laundry while we have our own washers. And we just have some stuff, like this is going to the RV, this is Goodwill, and once we pick some bins out that we want to keep, that's, the leftover bins are going to Goodwill.
It tells you how much stuff we got rid of.
So that's it. Okay. Downsizing makes sense.